It's a beautiful sunny day. This is the right time to go on a picnic.
What a great suggestion. But let me ask you a question first. Is there another phrase synonymous with this is the right time and can substitute it?
Of course there are. You can use it's time, it's high time, it's about time. They all mean this is the right time, with a slight and considerate difference between them.
You said this is the right time to go on a picnic.
Yeah, you might say it's time to go on a picnic. Whenever you have the phrase it's time, followed by a verb in the infinitive form, the sentence is decoded as this is the right time to do that. Later on could be too late. It's time to take measures to eradicate corruption means this is the right time to take measures. It's time to play a major role in the fight against nepotism means this is the right time to play a major role in this fight. It's time to understand the issue means this is the right time to understand the issue. It's time to live means this is the right time to live. If you wonder, it's time for whom? You might add, it's time for the government to take measures to eradicate corruption. It's time for us or for citizens to play a major role in the fight against nepotism. It's time for the youth to understand the issue. It's time for the kids to live.
I got it. The way you talked earlier implies that it's time isn't usually followed by a verb in the infinitive form.
Oh yes. If you want to tell someone that this is the right time to do something, use the structure it's time or one of its substitutes plus verb in the infinitive form. If you want to be more precise about whom or what you talk about, add for X right after the phrase it's time. However, if you want to complain about something, if you want to say that something shouldn't have been done or should have been done, then use another structure. Consider the same earlier examples. First, the government should have taken some measures to eradicate corruption last year, but they didn't do. Now, you complain about that. You say, it's high time the government took some measures to eradicate corruption. After the phrase, it's high time, write your subject, then write your verb conjugated in the past simple. Complete your sentence the way you like. Second, consider the second example. We, as citizens, didn't play any role in the fight against nepotism the previous year. Now, we complain about that. We say, it's high time we, or citizens, played a major role in the fight against nepotism. Third, for decades, young people in our country have no idea about the problems this country faces or suffers from. Now you complain about that. You say, it's about time young people in our country understood the issue. Fourth, kids were supposed to leave at noon. Now it's 2 p.m. and they didn't do. You say, it's high time the kids left.
I'm really interested. Let's have more examples.